this video, let's talk about does the brand of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spaces matter?
When it comes to Mitsubishi wheel spaces, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce the risk of disappointment. Higher quality brand spaces pay off big time in terms of reliability. This is especially critical when you frequently go off-roading. High-quality Mitsubishi wheel spaces bring a level of reliability that also reduces maintenance costs. Real Mitsubishi pedal wheel spaces from a reputable company are always the safest option. Companies that provide quality wheel-made wheel spaces invest a healthy sum in designing and testing their products. Years of research and development make their Mitsubishi wheel spaces safer and more reliable. So, junior brand Mitsubishi wheel spaces are exactly safe for daily driving and off-roading. It is proven that as long as you use high-quality Mitsubishi wheel spaces and install them properly, there will be no safety issues. Bonus brand wheel spaces strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience. Designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind, Bonus promise an uncompromised fit, finish, and level of quality. Apart from the base functions of spaces, Bonus Mitsubishi wheel spaces provide more practical features. For example, the FT cooling function. Distribute in petal shape. This heat dissipation grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. These FT cooling Mitsubishi wheel spaces are designed to make brake cooling better. In order to distinguish the real Bonus Mitsubishi wheel spaces and protect customer interest, Bonus has built a complete authentication system. When you get Bonus wheel spaces, check the authentication code on the package. Then compare these numbers with Bonus official store's database. It is always good to use genuine brand Mitsubishi wheel spaces. Each Bonus genuine wheel spacer is Bonus in grade. These Mitsubishi wheel spaces are made in Bonus Owner factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. Besides, genuine Bonus Mitsubishi wheel spaces are covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Good quality is guaranteed to perform well and last for the life of the vehicle.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.